Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the True Life Podcast. Right before Christmas, we got 10. This episode is 10 practical jokes to play at the Christmas party or Christmas morning. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, the old gift wrap switcheroo. Wrap an empty box in an extravagant way and place it under the tree. Watch as someone excitedly unwraps their gift to find, dun dun dun, nothing. Number 2, Ornament Avalanche. Tape a piece of thread to the bottom of an ornament and discreetly attach it to the back of someone's shirt. When they move away, it'll look like they're dragging a line of ornaments. Number 3, Toothpaste-Filled Oreos. Carefully remove the cream from Oreo cookies and replace it with white toothpaste. Offer these treats to unsuspecting guests. Christmas tree deconstruction. Rearrange the ornaments on the Christmas tree when no one is looking. See how long it takes for someone to notice the festive chaos. Number 5, the faux snowball fight. Craft fake snowballs using cotton balls or soft materials and initiate an impromptu indoor snowball fight. It's a mess-free way to add some winter fun. Number 6, the Grinchy gift wrap. Wrap a small normal gift in layers of increasingly larger boxes, making the recipient think they're getting something huge. The suspense will be hilarious. Number 7, candy cane swap. Replace the contents of a candy cane wrapper with a vegetable stick like a carrot. It'll be a sweet surprise with a twist. Number 8, invisible ink greetings. Write holiday messages or doodles with clear nail polish on bathroom mirrors. They'll only appear when someone takes a hot shower. Number 9, festive keyboard confusion. Gently rearrange the keys on a computer keyboard to spell out festive phrases or even a holiday song. It's a subtle prank for office parties. Number 10, Santa hat switch. Collect Santa hats from attendees and redistribute them randomly. Watch the confusion as people try to find their own hat with a unique twist. That's all we got, ladies and gentlemen. Hope the Christmas season is treating you wonderful. My favorite one was the Toothpaste Oreos.